No matter how old you are, there's nothing worse than losing your mom. Thank you so much for remembering me with the fruit basket and all the tangerines and stuff.
I lost my cat last year, so I understand the grieving process.
I'm sorry about your cat, I didn't know.
Break's over.
I'm going through my mom and Nona's recipes, and then I realized food is love. So I want to open an Italian restaurant. What are you, crazy? Who are you gonna get to come down and cook? Nona's. Other real-life Italian grandmothers.
I am from Bologna. I spit on Bologna. Spit on Sicily, okay?
I want them to make the dishes that they were passed on from their family. I want to share it with everybody.
This is my main dish, capusella. Dear God save us.
Oh, that's what smells. I thought maybe it was me. Oh, no.
It has to work because it's not just a restaurant, it's more about family, especially for people who may not have family anymore. Maybe the one good idea we can take from this is not to fight in the kitchen.
Oh, she started it.
You ladies are killing me.
We are not quitters.
A bottle of white.
We're strong women with Italian blood in our souls.
Whatever kind of mood you're in tonight. Meet you anytime you want in our Italian restaurant.
The only thing that you're going to regret are the moments that you did not take.
I am not asking you to do this for me. I'm asking you to do it for you and for my mama.
You using Catholic guilt on me?
I learned it from the best.
Right on.
A bottle of red, a bottle of white.